Hello everyone, welcome back to Randompedia. मैं हूं फारूक and today I'm gonna show you how to connect inverter battery to UPS. Always put distilled water in the holes. Connect the short black cable that came with the battery enclosure to the negative terminal of the battery, furthest away from the openings in the battery enclosure. Put the ring terminal down first, followed by a flat washer, then the lock washer, and finally the bolt, as you can see in the video. Now connect the short red cable that came with the battery enclosure to the positive terminal of the battery, furthest away from the openings in the battery enclosure, same like before in the black one. But before making this connection, please read the instructions manual very carefully. Now check whether the mains is on or not. Yeah, it's on, so it's perfect. The connection is successful.